Ready to open the hood? Use tool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Open the cover on the plastic case located on the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 13mm socket, release the holding screws for the cables on the positive terminal. Finish taking them off by hand, then take out the two electric cables. Lift the plastic cover on the lower left-hand side to access the terminal. Lift the holding latch on the terminal to be able to remove it. With a small flatted screwdriver, separate the holding tab, then unclip the whole of the box and position it so that it doesn't get in the way of future movements. To remove the cover of the battery box, pull upwards to unclip it, then towards you to take it off. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, release the negative terminal and remove it. With a socket wrench, a long extension and a 10mm socket, remove the nut and take off the fastening plate of the battery. Remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the negative terminal back in place, all while holding it fully in place, and screw it in with a socket wrench. Putting the battery in place can be a little tricky, so you need to stay focused. Rest assured, we have just the tip to make it that little bit easier. Take a piece of paper towel and fold it in fours. Lay it flat on the socket, then insert the head of the nut, forcing it into the socket. Magic! It holds all by itself. By only using the extension, you will be able to screw the fastening plate back in place. Delicately push it back in by lightly pressing on the battery to correctly position it. As usual, start by hand, and for the final turns to tighten the screw, insert a wrench into the extension, block it, and remove the paper towel. Put the battery cover back on, inclining the cover forwards so that it goes in, then push it downwards to lock it in place. Put the plastic box back in by sliding it towards you into its housing. Then put the first cable back in place, which should still be in place on the vehicle. Remember to correctly position the cable into the correct place indicated on the battery box. Reconnect the positive terminal while simply flipping the locking cap downwards. The second cable is linked to the positive terminal. You also have to pass the guide before fixing it to the board. Finish by tightening the screw with the help of a socket wrench, then close the cover. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.